Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Project Reaper, where we are looking at installing the new sway bars. 14 millimeter. Okay guys, let me pause right here for just a second. Now, if you're like me and sometimes your brain decides to just stop working momentarily and you forget the correct order to assemble these sway bar end links, this right here is exactly why when I take the old ones off, I quickly reassemble them the way that they were. That way it just helps me remember exactly how to go back on. Easy way to remember is that the sway bar goes in between these two, and your lower control arm goes in between these two. And just remember that these bushings also have a flat side, and the flat side is the one that goes on the washer side. Back to the show. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I've been working on this since 2 a.m. It's now like 8, I think it is. I didn't realize it, but my camera died. So I got a lot of stuff done that you guys didn't get to see. So I'll show you what I have now. All right, guys, now listen, stick around because I have another video coming out of the coilovers that I installed with these sway bars. And so shortly after that, we will have a video of how well they perform, a little back-to-back stock versus performance aftermarket comparison. So stick around for that video, guys. It should be pretty good. So that way you guys can see whether or not it's actually worth it to buy these things. Oh, and by the way, also, I've noticed that over 80% of my views are coming from unsubscribed viewers. So guys, if you can, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell too, guys. It'll let you know exactly when a new video is coming out. All right, guys, till next time. Shortly, I'll be doing an episode Oops. What can you do? Oh. I sure wish my light would fall 50,000 times. It'd be amazing.